Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fuel up at Costco. First, make sure your Costco membership is current and accessible. You'll need it to activate the pump. Next, find a Costco gas station near you. Their app is great for this. Remember, Costco gas is often popular, so expect a short wait, especially on weekends. Their prices are usually worth the brief delay. Once you've navigated the line, pull your vehicle up to an open pump. Make sure your fuel tank is on the correct side for easy access. Now, insert your Costco membership card into the card reader. The system will verify your membership. After that, simply select the grade of fuel you need, like regular, unleaded, or premium. With your fuel grade selected, it's time to pay. Insert your credit or debit card into the reader. Costco gas stations typically only accept Visa cards or debit cards. Once approved, remove the nozzle from the pump and place it into your vehicle's fuel tank. Squeeze the handle to start pumping. The pump will automatically stop when your tank is full. After your tank is full, carefully return the nozzle to its holder on the pump. Ensure it's securely in place. You can then grab your receipt from the dispenser if you need one for your records. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life with smart features. You can find a link to that and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.